Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the or write the Perl coding or Perl programming. So this is my first Perl programming language class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a first Perl program. Before writing a Perl program, first check if the Perl is installed on the Linux machine. Here I am using the Linux operating system. If you want to know how to install the Linux machine or how to set up the Linux machine on your Windows or MacBook, please go ahead and watch my videos. You can find the videos or the installation procedure in my videos, or you can also look under my description the location or the link for the Red Hat Enterprise Linux installation. So first I want to start with checking the Perl installation on this machine. You can run rpm-qa grep-i Perl and see if any Perl packages are deployed. Here I can see the Perl version 5.8.8 is installed on this machine. So you can also check using the command perl-v to verify the version. So here the Perl version is version 5.8.8 and it is developed by Larry Wall. You can also use perl-V to get more details about this Perl programming or Perl language. So to check the installation location of the Perl or the Perl command location, you can simply run which Perl. So this is where the Perl command exists. Okay. So once you know all these details, you can start writing the Perl coding. So what I want to do, I want to create a directory called /program/Perl. Okay, I'm going to write programs under this directory. So go to the program Perl directory, open the file called hello.pl and declare the Perl command location and then writes or print something text called hello Perl. Okay, so this is my first print command or print program I'm going to execute. So once you write this information into the file, save it and make sure this file is executable. So here this file is not executable. So let's change the permissions or with executable permissions. You can use chmod plus x hello.pl. Now the file is executable, right? And simply run hello.pl. So here the file is executed successfully and I can see the output. So this is how we can write the first Perl program. You can also execute the same program in interactive mode. So how we can do that? So using perl-e print hello Perl. Okay, so this is a interactive mode. So now the same output I can find it here. Okay, it is displayed the same output. I recommend to use a file instead of interactive mode because Perl is not like single line coding. You will write hundreds of lines, thousands of lines for your project. So make sure always use the file to write your Perl code. There are various text editors available. You can download them as per the operating system that you use it. So here the Perl can support it on different platforms like Windows, Linux, Solaris, Mac. There are many, it support on many operating systems. Okay. And as I mentioned, Perl is developed by Larry Wall in 1987. And what exactly the Perl stands for? So the Perl stands for Practical Extraction and Reporting Language. This is not exact acronym of the Perl, but people get used to it. Okay, so now if someone asks you like what is the Perl stands for, you can tell them it's a Practical Extraction and Reporting Language. So previously, this Perl used it to write. It used to be developed for text manipulations, and now this Perl used by system administrator, and it is used in web development, network programming, graphical user interface development, and many more. Okay, so there are a lot of features are available compared to the previous programming languages like C, C++. So this Perl support both, it's basically support the object oriented programming. Okay, so and the Perl actually has a better features compared to C and C++. This using the Perl, you can also communicate with the databases. You can update the databases. So basically, you can use the web development tools to create your web page and connect the web page to the database. So this is how we create the first Perl programming, and in the next class I'm going to explain the other ways, the different types of like different types of comments available, and different types of uh, conditions, and how we can use the variables, how we can use the strings, how we can use the scalar arrays, hashes, so many more actually I'm going to discuss. Okay, and also we'll discuss how to use the escape sequence. I'm going to explain all these things in my next classes. So this is my introduction class about Perl. So you can, if you have a Linux machine installed on your PC, you can start working on the Perl. So by default, I think Red Hat Enterprise Linux provide Perl program or Perl command. You can just simply open a file and write a code into that file, save the file and execute it. So you will see the output just like here what I'm saying. So thank you for watching this video, guys.